The Great Pyramid of Giza, an ancient world wonder, a tribute to human achievement, and an enigma that has baffled scientists for ages. But what if we told you that this ancient structure is still hiding mysteries that need to be revealed? Join us as we explore deep into the Great Pyramid's mysteries and discover astonishing discoveries that will redefine all we thought we knew about this historic wonder. At Giza, Vyse worked with gunpowder to force its way into various structures, including the burial chamber of Mystere's pyramid. What? Gunpowder? Vyse's gunpowder archaeology yielded a significant discovery in the Great Pyramid of Giza. Giovanni Battista Caviglia has blown on the south side of the stress-relieving room on top of the king's chamber, which Nathaniel Davison discovered in 1765, hoping to locate a link to the southern air channel. While Caviglia gave up, Vyse assumed that another chamber existed on top of Davison's chamber because he could insert a reed for about 2 feet upwards through a gap into a cavity. During 3.5 months, he blasted straight up on the northern side, discovering 4 more chambers. Vyse's finding of countless graffiti in the chambers in red paint, dating from the time the pyramids were built, was just as remarkable as the chambers. Together with lines, markers, and directional notations, work gang names, including cartouches of numerous pharaohs, were concentrated in Lady Arbuthnot's and Nelson's chambers, but graffiti was found in all 4 chambers. The now famous sole occurrence of Pharaoh Khufu's name may be discovered on the south ceiling towards the west end of Campbell's chamber. The Khufu cartouche is a part of a brief inscription that reads, "The Followers, Gang of Khufu," referring to the workers who built the chamber. This chamber now had a good quantity of graffiti from the 19th and 20th centuries. The second renowned Khnum Khuf, which is also part of labor gang graffiti, can be found in Lady Arbuthnot's chamber. This chamber contains a number of other compound cartouches. The next discovery is sure to shock many because it dates back over 4,500 years. A team of more than 36 experts claim that they've uncovered a massive, secret room buried beyond its walls more than 4,500 years after it was built to store the bones of the Pharaoh Khufu. The vast hole is located above the Grand Gallery, a hallway with 28-foot ceilings that leads to Khufu's tomb and is at least 100 feet long. While Khufu's pyramid, also known as the Great Pyramid, is one of the 7 wonders of the world, it has mostly remained a mystery. There is no other edifice like it, and its status as a national relic makes investigation impossible. Nevertheless, a team of scientists at Scan Pyramids recognized that the technique used to analyze the insides of volcanoes, known as muography, might be used to see the interior of the pyramids. This method is based on high-energy cosmic rays which launch subatomic particles known as muons toward the Earth. Large masses such as the rocks used to build the pyramids slow muons. Researchers can trace the particles traveling through space by strategically putting muon detectors. They rely on them to paint a picture that tells whether an object is formed of dense stuff or is completely empty space. No one knows for certain what the passage is. Specialists are being careful not to refer to it as a chamber in order to avoid creating a bigger mystery than there is. The next discovery was found just a few weeks ago. What do you think a hidden corridor could be? A map to some riches or the like? Well, let's find out what it is. The discovery was made within the pyramid, the last of the 7 wonders of the ancient world still standing, as part of the Scan Pyramids project, which has been peering within the construction since 2015, using non-invasive equipment such as infrared thermography, 3D simulations, and cosmic ray imaging. According to an article published in the journal Nature, the discovery could help researchers learn more about the pyramid's construction and the purpose of a gabled limestone structure that sits in front of the hallway. The Great Pyramid was built to a height of 146 meters as a massive mausoleum, approximately 2560 BC during the reign of the Pharaoh Khufu. It presently stands at 139 meters after much of its white limestone casing has been removed. According to Mustafa Waziri, head of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, the incomplete hallway was likely built to disperse the pyramid's weight around either the main entrance now utilized by tourists, which is over 7 meters away, or around another as-yet undiscovered room or compartment. 5 rooms atop the king's burial chamber in another portion of the pyramid are also supposed to have been erected to redistribute the colossal structure's weight. while Mysterie stated that the pharaoh could have had more than one burial chamber. The passage was discovered using cosmic ray muon radiography, and photos were obtained by inserting a 6mm thick Japanese endoscope through a tiny joint in the pyramid stones. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey of discovery as we investigated the Great Pyramid of Giza's hidden secrets. Make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Keep discovering the wonders of our world. Until next time.